Now let us see one more problem, and that is a problem number 38, which is asked by my student. So firstly read out the problem, student, then you will be able to understand. Problem number 38 is there. A photon of 300 nanometer is absorbed by a gas and then re-emitted two photons. Okay, see student, the question is quite good. Okay, so suppose one gas is there, student, gas, and one photon is falling like this on this gas, right? And this wavelength is given how much? 300 nanometer. 300 nanometer. So lambda equal to given 300 nanometer, and this lambda is absorbed light. Okay, then they are saying re-emitted two photons. This is re-emitting two photons. So how re-emitting, student? This is like that. This is going to re-emit, and another, this is going to remit like that. So if re-emitting, then one of the re-emitted photons have wavelength 496 nanometer. So here lambda emitted 1 is equal to how much is there, student? 496 nanometer. Then they are saying then the other photon has what they have? These all are the energy. So other photon, so lambda 2 you calculate, lambda emitted you have to calculate 2, then E re-emitted you have to calculate. Okay, how much is coming. Okay student, so let us solve this problem. How can you be able to solve this problem? So you know student, that is a lambda, energy absorbed, energy is always constant, law of conservation of energy, so energy absorbed, okay, energy absorbed, okay, equal to what should be energy emitted, energy, what would be there, student? Energy emitted. Okay, energy emitted. Energy absorbed means what, student? Energy absorbed means what? That is, E absorb we can write. E absorb is equal to E emitted. Okay. So energy is equal to what formula we know? Planck constant, according to Planck rule. E equal to hc by lambda. E is equal to hc by lambda. This is absorb equal to E. This is also hc by lambda 1 for first emitted one, lambda 1, plus what would be the energy? Two photons are there. Okay, so for second photon we can write that is hc by lambda 2, because two photons are there, student. Try to understand the question very thoroughly. So two photons, so the energy of two photons will be emitted, it will be equal to energy of absorbed. So you see student, what will be the now lambda, this one absorb they have given, student. Wavelength of lambda absorb how much given? 1 by 300 nanometer equal to 1 by lambda 1 also given, 496 plus, and 1 by what would be there? Lambda 2. And this all hc are cancel out, student. hc are cancel out. So lambda 2 how to calculate, student? If you are calculating, lambda 2, you see, so 1 by lambda 2 equal to, this will come that side. So 1 by 300 minus 1 by 496, cross multiply. Okay, so if you are cross multiplying, that is 496 minus 300, and denominator you multiply, it is coming 148, and that is 800. Again if you are saying 1 by lambda 2 is coming, so 196 upon 148, okay, and 800, 148 800. Now if you are again cross multiply, so what will be there? Lambda equal to how much is coming? 148 and 800, 148 800 upon 196. So how much is coming, student? 759.1 nanometer. This is the lambda you got. So that is whatever the diagram you see, student, 759 is coming. No? For this one you got, that is 759.1. This is coming nanometer. For this they are asking the energy. For this one E2 emitted they are asking. So energy is equal to what, student? E equal to hc by lambda. hc by lambda. H value Planck constant, student, how much? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 multiply speed of light is how much, 3 into 10 power 8 divided by lambda you got, it is in the nanometer, so you convert into meter because these are speed of light in the meter. So how much will be there, student? It will be lambda 759.1, okay, and nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meter. So it will give in the joule. So you solve it out, student, how much is coming. So E equal to, you see how much is coming, E equal to, it is coming 19 point, you multiply this by 3, so it is coming 19.87 divided by 759 multiply by 10 power minus 34 plus 8 and plus 9. Again simplify, E is equal to how much coming, student? 0.0261 into 10 power minus 17. You put in the scientific notation. So how much will come, student? 2.61 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Okay, so this is energy is coming, student, 2.61 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So let us check the option, student, what could be the correct option. Here is 2.62, my arg is wrong, here is wrong. This is the 2.625 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Correct option is option number 2, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.